Hi, I am Reverend Daniel Ogwamitete, Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission. I guess you may have a ton of questions about the SEC. What do we do? What is our mandate? How do we protect investors? What are some of the initiatives that we have taken to ensure that the integrity of the market and investors are protected? I believe some of you would have issues or questions relating to the recent invocation and then the bailout package. Well, we are rolling out this platform, Time with the Commission. Come and link up with us and have all your questions answered. Watch out for details on how you can join in or plug in to Time with the Commission.
This event will be held on the 19th of November 2020. You can join our Facebook live stream for a comprehensive coverage of the event. You can send your comments or questions ahead of the program via our social media channels. For further inquiries, call on 0800 1000 65 or 0301 768970 or send us an email via info@sec.gov.gh.